Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making grilled duck breast with balsamic glaze. This recipe takes 20 minutes to prep and 20 minutes to cook. Serves 4 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 4 mallard breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoons black pepper, 1 teaspoon thyme or rosemary, dried herbs, half cup aged balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 clove garlic, and 1 sprig fresh rosemary. Step 1. Breast preparation. Score skin in cross-hatch pattern. Brush with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, and herbs. Let come to room temperature 30 minutes. Step 2. Glaze preparation. Combine balsamic vinegar, honey, mustard, garlic, and rosemary in small saucepan. Simmer until reduced by half and syrupy, about 12 minutes. Step 3. Grill preparation. Preheat grill to medium-high heat. Clean and oil grates well. Step 4. Grilling. Place breast skin side down first. Grill 6 to 7 minutes until skin is crispy and well marked. Step 5. Flipping. Flip and continue grilling 4 to 5 minutes more until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Step 6. Glazing. Brush with balsamic glaze during final 2 minutes of cooking. Step 7. Resting. Remove from grill and rest 5 minutes under loose foil tent. Step 8. Slicing. Slice diagonally against the grain and serve with remaining glaze. And that's how you make grilled duck breast with balsamic glaze. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.